Hello, good morning, people. On this beautiful Sunday morning, here we are at Club Mahindra Resort at Ashtamudi in Kerala. See these beautiful floating cottages on water. Here I take you inside one of those cottages where Pencraft founder Pallavi Samandesai is staying. And let's ask her what is it that she is up to on this beautiful Sunday morning, sitting by the seaside in a floating cottage. Hi Pallavi.
Hey, hi, good morning all.
What is it that you're doing?
Today I am doing dot mandala on offcut. This place is such a beautiful place that I cannot resist myself by doing this beautiful art form.
What is it that they're doing? You're making this art form on?
Actually, this is a pure offcut. This is a raw piece of wood, which is a very thin slice.
Okay.
So I painted that offcut with acrylic color. You can take whichever acrylic color you want to. Today I have taken white background.
Okay, so you're using this white background on an offcut and you're painting your dot mandalas on it. Yes. That is what I can see. Yes. Alright, please go ahead. Show us some more.
I'm using all neon colors.
Okay, so those neon colors showing the brightness of the day.
Yes, exactly.
Great. Yep. What better setting for such an artistic pursuit than by the seaside on a floating cottage with water lapping by and the sun rising up in the sky?
All these art forms are basically for meditation and concentration.
Yes, we understand, and we have been reading about this for some time that mandala art in particular has a lot of therapeutic usages. It helps you calm your nerves, it helps you focus, and helps you to improve your concentration as well.
True. So now I will be taking my next shade of this neons. Every time you have to clean your tool and go for the next size. the shape of my offcut is little oval. So this mandala will be in a circular form, but you cannot maintain the symmetry from all the sides. Every time, whenever you are doing mandala, you have to keep one thing in mind, especially with dot mandala, that if you want to maintain the size of your each dot, then you have to dip your tool vertically in this container, which this time I have taken this cat as a container. You have to dip that tool extremely straight. So the color will spread equally on this tool. And then you have to hold this tool vertically on the surface and you just press it. Every time you have to press, or every time you have to give basically the same pressure to maintain the diameter of this dot.
Oh wow, that's great. And we see that there are different sizes of these dotting tools available and these various colors, etc. Just for the information of people who are watching, all these tools as a single kit are available on the Pencraft website itself. You can go on to www.pencraft.in, go to DIY kits, click on the tab which says DIY kits on the top of the page, and thereafter choose the kit that you want to buy for your particular hobby. For example, dot mandala, for what Pallavi is doing right now. If that is what your forte is, or that is what is your passion, you can simply go there and look at the various options of dot mandala tools that are available as DIY kits on the Pencraft website. Or if you wish to be formally trained, you can attend one of the Pencraft workshops, which are very frequently held at a very large number of venues all over the country. And for more details or for the schedule of the Pencraft workshops, you can call us on 9967455588. I repeat that, 9967455588. Or if you're so confident that just by watching Pencraft videos you think you can do it, or you're confident enough that you want to try this out on your own watching a video, you can do so by logging on to the Pencraft YouTube channel, watching the video, buy a DIY kit and try it at your home. Okay.
At Pencraft, we give teachers training to the ladies, basically who want to work from their home. So we give them teachers training for all these Indian ancient art forms as well as for Indian tribal art forms like pen mandala, dot mandala, Madhubani painting, Warli art, Gond art, and apart from this we have other courses also. So as earlier we told you that you can call us on 9967455588.
Yes, so it is not just the hobby that you can pursue, but you can also become a teacher and you can start your own classes of teaching students, that is, kids and adults both, these various art forms.
So you can make your hobby as your profession.
Oh, yes, nothing like it if you are earning money through what is it that you love doing.
Yes, so true.
So there we are, people. It's rather early on a Sunday morning, and we're happy to note that we have more than 100 watching live. And pretty soon we will post the photographs of the final product that Pallavi has been making. Thank you so much. Here we are signing off. Bye.
Bye bye. Good day.